Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Joy. This is my first update in the Years of Usage Eyeshadow Project Pan that I'm doing this year. The goal of this project is for me to use the eyeshadows 26 times because we are in the year 2026. This project is created by Sarah Catherine, and she started this back in 2021, and I have been doing this with her since. So for this year, I am working on 2 eyeshadow palette. The total number of eyeshadows is 16. There are 10 eyeshadows in here in this Be in Love with eyeshadow palette. This is an Obsession Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette, and that's what it looks like. And then the other eyeshadow palette is the Milani Smoky Essentials Everyday Eyes eyeshadow palette. In my intro, I said that from my experience, because I've already worked on this in the past in another project, it is best to use it on its own. My intention initially is to make this as a companion eyeshadow palette, but it turns out it is best to use this on its own. And for this palette, I've used this 3 times. The total number of uses on all of the eyeshadows here is 12. So the eyeshadows I've worked on is Dreamer. I've used that once. Beloved, I've used that twice. Then Starry-Eyed, I've used that once. Adore, I've used this 3 times. And then Bond, I've used that once. Soulmate, I've used that twice. And Bow, I also used that twice. So what I've been doing is, whenever I create a look, I always use 4 eyeshadows. And that's why I said I've used this 3 times and the total number of uses is 12. Typically, I would be using an Adore, and then one eyeshadow, perhaps it can be Soulmate or Beloved, that these 3, and then a shimmer shade like Bond. That would be the look that I would create, or I would do an Adore, a Soulmate, and then I'll have Starry-Eyed and then Bow as my eyeliner. So yeah, that's some of the combination that I did. Now, for the Milani Eye Essentials, for this one, it's also the same. I'm using 4 eyeshadows at a time, and I've used this 6 times because the total number of uses for this one is 24. So my goal is to use this 2 eyeshadow palette. The total number of eyeshadows I've used at a time in every update is at least 34 eyeshadows. That's what will make me on track, assuming I do an update every month. But for this update, I used 36 eyeshadows. So here 24 and this one 12. Now the eyeshadows I've used here, I've used all of them actually. So for this shade, this is the base shade, I've used that 6 times. And this is a contour shade, 6 times. This one is a lead shade, I used that 3 times. And then this one, crease, I've used that 5 times. And then the specialty, I've used that twice, and this one I also used that twice. This is the liner shade. Now why I'm calling them that, because that's how it is described here. So base, contour, lead, crease, specialty, and liner. So far, I am actually enjoying this. I'm surprised that I'm enjoying this, especially the specialty shade. It doesn't look this way actually when I put it on my eyes. Even for this liner, I thought it would come out like that. It doesn't come out like that. For these 3 shades, I'm surprised. So this lead shade, this specialty shade, and liner shade, it doesn't come out that way on my eye. But this 2, it is what it is, as well as this shade. This is looks like a black shade. So far for this project, I'm actually happy with my choice, because usually I would just use 2 eyeshadows or 3 eyeshadows at most last year, but this time I'm using 4 eyeshadows at a time. So there's less pressure to use it more frequently so that I'll get to the goal I want to hit, which is 26 uses for each of the eyeshadow in here. So this is my first update for the Years of Usage eyeshadow project pan. Thank you all for watching, and I hope to see you in my next update. Bye!